As the world continues to rapidly evolve, Bangladesh has emerged as a key player in the competitive industry of ready-made garment manufacturing. Bangladesh's rich heritage and thousands of years of human civilization have contributed to its vibrant social and economical culture. Despite facing numerous challenges since gaining independence in 1971, Bangladesh has preserved with its creative force and unyielding strength. Sterling Group has started its glorious journey in 1984 with the expert leadership of Mr. Muhammad Siddiqur Rahman.
82-83 সনে এসে চিন্তা করলাম যে আমরা ইন্ডাস্ট্রি করব। উদ্যোক্তা হওয়ার একটা মনোবাসনা ছিল যে আমি মানুষের জন্য কর্মসংস্থানের সৃষ্টি করব।
Sterling Group presently owns 7 concerns: Sterling Denims Limited, Sterling Denims Limited Unit 2, Sterling Creations Limited, Sterling Apparels Limited, Sterling Accessories Limited, Sterling Laundry Limited, Unicorn Sweaters Limited. We have 7 factory buildings.
Proudly running with the accumulating human resources of 14,000 people, that Sterling Group is thriving.
Sterling Group began its journey in the year 1984, has experienced steady growth over the years. Today, with a workforce of approximately 14,000, the annual turnover is about $250 million.
The company is highly adaptable to changes in the global market environment, responding quickly to fluctuations. Sterling also upholds its corporate social responsibility by implementing an inclusive policy that accommodates physically challenged workers, allowing them to contribute alongside their colleagues. By utilizing state-of-the-modern art technology and production machines, Sterling ensures high-quality production delivered on time. Sterling is committed to sustainable growth through proactive industrial and social compliance practices. All the factories of Sterling Group are enrolled with better work and are closely working for achieving sustainable goals. Recently, Sterling Creation Limited covered the medical costs of over 3.3 million taka for a worker who had an unfortunate accident, demonstrating the company's commitment to its employees' well-being. Sterling Group managed to export ready-made garments to Canada, U.S.A, and various European countries. The company's dedication to excellence has earned it several awards and certifications, including the National Best Exporters Award 2012 in Bangladesh and the Certificate of Supply Recognition for Outstanding Contribution in On-Time Delivery and Quality Award from Mango. All the Sterling Group factories are also ISO 14001:2015 certified and compliant with RAP, BSCI, SEDEX, OCS, RCS and GOTS standards. Sterling specializes in a wide range of denim and non-denim products for men, women and children.
Our experienced and dedicated R&D team consistently delivers high-quality product. As a result, many of our clients feature them in their stores.
Sterling also partners with globally renowned brands such as H&M, Benetton, ZARA, Mango, Tchibo, and many others. Unicorn Sweaters Limited commenced its journey in 2000, establishing a monthly capacity of 300,000 pieces. It has grown responsibly since then to cater to international needs with highly competitive prices and an accurate delivery schedule. The company's factories have successfully completed 100% remediation in areas such as structural, electrical, and fire safety, ensuring a safe and secure working environment. The Starling Group has well-equipped medical team consisting of doctors and nurses to provide timely medical assistance during emergencies. At Starling, we understand the unique challenges faced by working mothers. That's why we provide a spacious daycare facility to ensure that their children are well taken care of while they are at work.
Starling Group is fully committed to remain aligned with all sustainability requirements. Currently, Starling is fully focused in meeting all environmental sustainability, particularly related with decarbonization and water reduction areas. Starling has already drawn a roadmap in this regard and set clear target to achieve by 2030 by implementing year-by-year action plans. But most important and the bigger actions are being taken in this current year, which includes switching to biomass boiler to reduce fossil fuel and gas consumption and thereby reducing GHG emission to a large extent, switching to alternative energy through installation of solar street lights in factory boundary areas and internal outdoor lighting at night. Starling has also completed all formalities by establishing LC for importation and installation of a 150 cubic meter RO plant for retreatment of its ATP treated water with a target of increasing its recycled water percentage to 65 and thereby achieve its water reduction target even earlier. It is expected that Starling will be able to achieve all its set goal by year 2030.
By prioritizing timely delivery of high-quality products that meet customer needs, Starling is poised for future growth. Starling prides itself on delivering quality customer service through innovation, leadership, and excellence. Welcome to Starling Group and its commitment to providing dedicated product services.